everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn some amazing positive affirmations. Are you ready? Positive affirmations with alphabets.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so let's go. I am amazing.
I am amazing.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I am divine.
I am divine.
I am enough.
I am enough.
I am fabulous.
I am fabulous.
I am grateful.
I am grateful.
I am healthy.
I am healthy.
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I am joyful.
I am joyful.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am loved.
I am loved.
I am mindful.
I am mindful.
I am noble.
I am noble.
I am optimistic.
I am optimistic.
I am playful.
I am playful.
I am quaint.
I am quaint.
I am respectful.
I am respectful.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am thoughtful.
I am thoughtful.
I am unique.
I am unique.
I am vibrant.
I am vibrant.
I am worthy.
I am worthy.
I am expressive.
I am expressive.
I am youthful.
I am youthful.
I am zestful.
I am zestful.
Amazing, everyone! We have learned positive affirmations. Repeating these affirmations help us build a very good self-esteem. Thanks for learning with us, kids. See you in the next video.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.